In this video, we will talk about polymorphism. Polymorphism means to perform a task in multiple ways, and that can be applied to the functions and methods. We have different type of polymorphism, and that is method overloading and method overriding. We will discuss each of them in a coding example. So let's go on our IDE and have some coding example on it. So let's implement polymorphism through method overloading. First of all, I will create a class called addition. So basically this addition class, it will do some addition, and I will say public int add, and it will add two integers and return the result a plus b. Okay, I need a comma here. Okay, now let's have another method called public int add, and this time it will take three parameters b and c. Okay, so we have three parameters and it will return a plus b plus c. So as you can see, we have two methods with the same name and same return type, but the number of parameters are different. So we have two parameters here and then we have three parameters here. So this is called method overloading. So we are performing addition in two different way here. Now let's have another method called public int add, and this time it will take double a and double b, and it will return a plus b. So we are having a error here. This is because we are adding two double, but we are returning the result in integers. So what we have to do, we have to cast it. So I will click here. So we have cast it into integer. Now the error has gone. So if you can see, we have addition method here that is called add, and the return types are the same, and also the number of arguments we have two here, which is, and also we have two here, but the the type of the arguments are different. So we are taking integer here, but here we are taking the double, so it is acceptable. Now let's have one more method called method okay, it will basically say double and add, and it will also take double a and then double b, and then it will return a plus b. So we are having here having error here. If we go and see, so it is saying add is already defined in the addition. Because we have the same name, the number of the arguments are same, like two here and two here, and the type of the arguments are same here, but the return type is different. So method overloading does not depend on the return type. So if the return types are different, so it will give you the error, so it is not acceptable here. Okay, so now we have three different methods here which are performing the addition in different forms. So now let's go in our main class and create the object for addition, and now let's perform some addition here. I will say addition dot, and here I will pass 5 comma 7. Okay, sorry, it's not a, okay, it's an integer here. Okay, so now let's run our code. So it is executed, it gives the return result 12. Now again system.out.println and perform the addition called add, and now this time we will pass the three integers. So as you can see, we are performing the addition in different form. Now call our third method addition dot add, but this time it takes the two double. Okay, now let's perform addition. So as you can see, it is returning the result 12 because we are casting our doubles into integer. Okay, so this is about polymorphism through method overloading. Now let's implement polymorphism through method overriding. So for that I will need a class called shape, and this class it will have a method called draw, and basically it will say system out dot println, and it will say shape is drawing. Okay, now let's have one more class called circle, and this circles will extend shape class, and I will implement the parent method here, which is draw. So basically we are overriding the parent method in our child class or subclass. Okay, and now I will override it with our own expression, and I will say circle is drawing. Okay, now let's have one more class called square, and this class also extend shape, and it will override the its parent method here, which will be system.out.println, and I will say square is drawing. Okay, so now we have a shape class which has a method called draw, and then we have its subclasses called circle and square, and it is overriding the method of its parent class. Okay, so now let's go in our main class, and I will create a object of a circle class. Circle dot draw. Okay, and also here I will create an object of its shape class. So let's create the object of shape, and shape will draw the method, and then I will create another object of a square class, square dot draw. So we have created the objects for our three classes, and we call it draw method. Now let's go and run our code. So as you can see, the shape is drawing, circle is drawing, and the square is drawing. So circle and the square, it's override the draw method from the shape class. So if you see, the return type and the method name are same in all classes, but they are performing different functionality. So this is called polymorphism through method overriding. So basically the child classes or subclasses, they are overriding the parent method. So this is all about polymorphism. So if you have any question, you can leave your comment in a comment section. Kindly subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.